Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? How are you doing? Are you okay? Pick up yourself. Pick up yourself. Good afternoon, good morning, whatever time you watch my video. How are you doing? My viewers and my subscribers, how are you doing today? Are you okay? I hope all is well. God has been good to us. All right? He's a wonderful God. Doesn't matter what we are going through, He is a wonderful God, and we need to give Him thanks. We need to give Him thanks for His blessing. All right? Okay, today I'm going to make some juice. All right, and for those that are watching for the first time, I cook on my channel, I make juice, I fold my clothes, and I talk about family issues or family problem or any little thing around the house. Alright, so I do, as a matter of fact, it's counseling. I do counseling in my little own way. Alright, you know that little way? Alright, so I must give God thanks for His blessing. That's why I'm here to show you how I make my juice. And what kind of juice do you make? How do you make your juice? And can you tell me some of the juices that you make? Alright? Okay, just watch as I go. Just watch as I go. Alright. My subscribers and my viewers, these are my fruits I'm going to make. Alright? So this one, it has each of everyone that is here. So I have ginger. I washed my hands already. And my fruits, they are all frozen, because when I bought them at the store, I just washed them and frozen them and cut them up. Alright, so when I'm ready, I just take it out. So I have my ginger, I have my melon, my cucumber, my just a little black grapes. This is not the really grapes, but they are black grapes anyway. Strawberry, apple, pineapple. Alright, so these are the fruits here, everything washed and frozen. So I'm going to blend them together, so watch as I go. Alright, so all of them are washed already and frozen. Alright, and over here I have my bucket with my chiffon cloth to strain it. Alright, so watch as I go. Let me turn the camera that you can see my blender. Can you see my blender from where you are? Just let me know if you are seeing my blender. Alright? And tell me what kind of juice do you want me to make. Alright? Thanks for watching, my subscribers and viewers. Alright, so I'm going to turn it on. And remember, don't put too much in your blender, because it will break. No, as strong as a blender can be, it can break. And guys, I forget about the beetroot. I also have beetroot. So you can blend any fruits together. So it's a combination of fruits. So remember to wash your fruits before, when you go to the store and buy. Remember, my subscribers and my viewers, to wash your fruits, because all of my fruits have been washed already and frozen. You know, fruits are easily spoiled. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how I blend my ripe banana and oats and peanut or nutriments or whatever. I'm going to show you how I blend them together. That's a supplement by itself. And how is it going so far for the day? Just let me know. So let me know what is happening so far. Remember to trust God and to put God in the driving seat or the walking seat. You can see it. And then you can put a little water here. Alright, so wash my hands now. Guys, keep washing your hands. And if you don't have a pipe to wash your hands, get a basin and wash your hands. And make sure you wash your fruits before you put them away in the fridge. You can see it? Rich. Can you see it? Let me know if you are seeing it. Put it in the comment if you see it. Alright. It's cool and nice. I'm going to get some water and this and wash it out. See? Then you put this back here and squeeze it out. So you put it in there and wash out your food. Don't throw it away. And you can wash it more than one time. Get out all the juice. You can see? This is my juice. Some is left over. And remember, the beetroot can be very messy. So you have to wipe your area like this. You have to wipe your area. Wipe your area like this. So this is a combination of let me check if you can see it properly. Right. Let me show you it now. You can see? No sugar. So you can tell me whatever fruit you put in yours while you're making it, and can you recommend something that I can make for you? All right. So you put whatever fruit you want, or you put whatever sugar you want. So if you want sugar, you can put sugar in it, and that's okay. That's fine. I won't put any sugar in mine. All right. Just watch as I go. So this is my finished product. All right. No sugar and no ice because the fruits were frozen already, so I don't need to put in. It's very cool and it's very nice. So if you want to put sugar in it, that's okay. If you want to just drink it like this, that's okay also. So you put whatever you want to put in it, right? And you blend any fruit together, any fruit. Nothing is wrong with that, all right? Because everything going to the same place, all right? Same destination. So love you, my subscribers and my viewers. Put a comment, make a comment, all right? My viewers, everybody that is watching, just subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to tell another friend that the Henry's family is making juice, cooking, sharing, all right? Counseling, folding my clothes, all those things around the house, all right? So you take care and be good to yourself, all right? Love you, my peeps. Love you all from my heart, straight from my heart. Love you. Bye bye. Let me take a sip. Take a sip. It's refreshing. It's so nice. And what happened? You can put a lemon. There's a lemon. I plan to put a lemon in it, but then I changed my mind. So you can blend the lemon, the skin, everything about the lemon. Just chop it up and put it in the blender with your juice. It tastes so good. Or lime, any one of them you can put in it. All right. Love you and you take care. All right. Bye.